This is Cosmic 25211. Let's do this thing. Good luck to all. 5 times. Here we go. Whoever's on top of the end wins the Orioles. Orioles are on top. Obviously, they're going to second. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Top is the Boston Red Sox. 5 times. The Boston Knee Party. Red. Oh, lots of things in red. Robbie Collins. All right. Green Bellinger to 99. 50-75. Sorry, that's the 75. Riley Green, Terrestrial Talent, Tommy Henry. Oh, red coming up. Cade Cavalli for the Nationals. 2 of 5. Very nice in that. Shane Hardy, congratulations. Cool art card there, 2 of 5 Cavalli. Will Benson, I don't know how popular he is, but anything to 5 is nice. Bogarts, Raptors, Pena Witt, Rodriguez. Launch to orbit, Austin Riley. Tova, Casas, Zero, Yato. Extraterrestrial Talent, Joe Votto, Seager and Jung. Julian, Andrew McCutcheon for Pirates, number 109. Valdez. Launch into orbit, Francisco Alvarez. Bryce Urang. Bogarts, Tatis Soto. Cabrera, Carroll, Terrestrial Talent, Seager. Mitchell, Thomas, Carroll, Moreno, Diamondbacks crew. The Guerrero Jr. Sorry, nice. Scope, Luis Garcia, the Refractor, Michael Harris II. I agree, let's get that Ghost right full. Prado, Extraterrestrial Talent, Jordan Walker. I don't know why I sound like that. Ugh. Shea Langley is Alvarez. Riley Green, Ruiz. Fujinami, Stars of the Blue Jays, Guerrero and Bichette. Finally, what do we got? Eloy Jimenez Refractor. And so it looks like the big hit from that one was the /5. Very nice card. One of the last teams to go.